Welcome to the Department of Finance at the Wilbur and Ann Powers College of Business at Clemson University. My name's Jack Council. I serve as a recruiter and pre-business advisor here at the college, and today we're going to talk about everything that the finance department has to offer. Finance is the study and discipline of money, currency, and capital assets. You will develop an understanding of financial markets and the contemporary economy, the operation of financial institutions, and the financial management of business operations. You'll have the chance to interact with finance professionals through active student organizations, internships, seminars, and events that bring financial leaders to campus. Your classes will cover a broad range of subjects, but will emphasize technical and communication skills. You'll have the flexibility to tailor courses to your needs by choosing an emphasis area that matches your interests and will enhance career preparation in specific areas of finance. Our emphasis areas include commercial banking and investments, corporate finance, financial planning, and real estate. Students also typically take on an accounting minor due to the similarities in the coursework for more career opportunities. Here at Clemson, students get real-world experience in the Melvin and Dolly Yance trading room. Students will have the opportunity to participate in investment portfolio management and compete in finance competitions using Bloomberg terminals to analyze market trends. Through partnerships with universities around the world, students can take finance-related courses that complement their degree while immersing themselves in different cultures. Students can study or intern in locations including Italy, Spain, Australia, and South Korea to expand their understanding of global finance while earning credits towards their degree at Clemson. A degree in finance opens doors to careers in banking, investing, corporate finance, and risk management. Some of our graduates go on to work as commercial bankers, financial advisors, investment bankers, and real estate developers. Many Clemson finance students secure internships and full-time jobs with top companies like Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, and Vanguard. The financial management degree provides students with finance and business expertise and contributes to their proficiency in analytical, communication, and interpersonal skills. Our department is continuously performing research to drive meaningful insights in the field of finance. Students will be able to learn more about this research and contribute to ongoing projects within the research area.
Being a financial management major at the Powers College of Business has truly changed my college experience. I've been able to connect with so many teachers who are willing to go the extra mile and help me in my career path. There's so many resources in the Powers College of Business as well, such as the trading room downstairs, where I'm able to become Bloomberg certified, and that looks great on a resume and for future employers.
Want to learn more? Visit our website or schedule a tour through the link in our description. Apply to Clemson University and start your journey in finance at the Wilbur and Ann Powers College of Business today. Empowered business leaders begin here. And as always, go Tigers.